Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to discuss how to find maximum and minimum value of a complex number. Generally, the triangular inequality, that means with the help of triangular inequality we can find the maximum and minimum value of a complex number. But without using triangular inequality, some type of complex number we can find its maximum and minimum value. How it can be possible? Let us consider an example like that. Modulus of z minus 1 plus mod of what? Z minus 3. Now you have to find the minimum value of this complex number. Okay. Now here we consider a number line. Initially we consider a number line. Well, number line we consider here. If we consider this part equal to 0, this part equal to 0, that means z minus 1 equal to 0 and z minus 3 equal to 0. That means you have two values. One is what? 1 and another is what? 3. When you consider z minus 1 equal to 0, then you have z equal to 1. If you consider z minus 3 equal to 0, then you have z equal to what? 3. So putting this value in increasing way, then you have this one 1 and 3. Now what is the difference between these two numbers? A root number of the difference is equal to what? What is the difference is what? 2. Therefore the minimum value is equal to what? 2 of this complex number. Now if we consider another example, say mod of z minus 2 plus mod of z plus 5. Now you have to find the minimum value of this complex number. The same procedure, if you draw a number line, if you consider this part equal to 0, then you have z equal to 2. Otherwise, when you consider this part equal to 0, then you have z equal to what? Minus 5. Putting these values in the increasing format, then this one is minus 5 and this part is equal to 2. Now what is the difference between these two numbers? Is equal to what? 7. Isn't it? Therefore, the minimum value is equal to what? 7. That is the minimum value. Now you can find in this way. Here you consider another example. It has how many terms? 3 terms are there. Okay. Similarly, we draw this number line. We consider this part equal to 0, then you have 1. Otherwise, this one equal to 0, then you have 3. And from this part you have z equal to 5. That means what are the value? 1, 3 and what? 5. When you consider the 3 terms, you have to find what? The minimum value of this complex number. Then this term you have to ignore. Then what is the difference between these two terms? Is equal to what? Difference is equal to what? 4. Therefore the minimum value of the complex number is equal to 4. That is the shortcut way. Okay? That means if you have 3 terms, then middle term must be you have to ignore. Then what is the difference between 1 and 5? Is equal to what? 4. That is the minimum value. Okay. Otherwise, if you consider another example like that, z minus 1 plus z plus 3 plus z minus 5. Similarly, if you draw this number line, you have how many terms are there? 3 terms. One is what? 1, minus 3 and 5. That means minus 3, 1 and 5. You have to ignore which one? Okay, then what is the difference between these two numbers? What? 8. Therefore, minimum value is equal to what? 8. You can find in this way. Here, we consider another example. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sum of 4 terms. Similarly, here also we draw a number line. Z equal to 1, 3, 5 and 8. In increasing way, 1, 3, 5 and 8. These are the values. Okay. There are how many middle terms are there? There are 2 middle terms. One is what? 3 and another is what? 5. If you consider this term, for z equal to 3. Z equal to 3. When you consider z equal to 3 কাৰণে যদি মই কনসিডাৰ কৰো তেতিয়ালে কিমান হ'ব 3 minus 1 এটো ললো মই 3 টার্ম প্লাস দেই calculation তুমি this one will consider what 3 minus 1 therefore 3 and 1 difference is equal to what 2 3 and 3 difference is equal to what 0 3 and 5 difference is equal to what 2 3 and 8 difference is equal to what 5 you have 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9 one value is this one next another middle term is what 5 when you consider z equal to 5 then you have for particular this value 5 and 1 what is the difference difference is equal to 4 and 5 and 3 difference is equal to 2 and 5 and 5 difference is equal to 0 and 5 and 8 difference is equal to what 3 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 what 9 therefore the minimum value is equal to what 9 for particular distance z equal to 3 and z equal to 5 if these values are different after comparing these two value you have one is what minimum value this minimum value which is the minimum value of the given complex number that means যদি এই দুইটা ভ্যালু তোমাৰ ডিফারেন্ট আহে এই দুইটা ভ্যালুৰ ভিতৰত যদি তোমাৰ মিনিমাম ভ্যালু হ'ব সেই মিনিমাম ভ্যালুটোৱে তোমাৰ কি হ'ব given complex number to কি হ'ব তোমাৰ minimum value with the help of triangular inequality we can find the maximum or minimum value of a complex number also here the triangular inequality is what this one okay then question is what if mod of z plus 4 less than equal to 3 find the maximum value of mod of what z plus 1 here there is a specific condition is what mod of z plus 4 is less than or equal to what 3 okay with the help of this condition you have to find the maximum value of what mod of z plus 1 এটা আমি কেনেকৈ proceed কৰিম চাবা here the main important part of this triangular inequality is this one that is the important part okay this complex number you have to express sum of these two complex number a z plus 1 to মই generally প্ৰথম কি কৰিব লাগিব তোমাৰ sum of দুটা complex number express কৰিব লাগিব first মই কি লিখি ললো first one is mod of what z plus 1 okay this z plus 1 you have to express in terms of z plus 4 also কাৰণ মই z plus 1 to কোন express কৰিব লাগিব in terms of what z plus 4 কি কাৰণে you have to use this particular condition hey condition to মই use কৰিব লাগিব therefore you can write this one like that z plus 4 minus what 3 it can be written as like that মই কোড এক্সপ্ৰেস কৰি ললো মই z plus 4 this one minus 3 after simplification of this part you have z plus 1 now one complex number is what z plus 4 another is what minus 3 you have to express this one z1 plus z2 by using this triangular inequality you can express like that what is the value of z1 mod of z plus 4 plus what is the value of z2 mod of what minus 3 again on the given condition what is the value of this one mod of z plus 4 is what always less than equal to 3 therefore in place of this part you can write this value is equal to 3 plus mod of minus 3 also what 3 ultimately you have this value is equal to what 6 that means mod of z plus 1 less than equal to 6 therefore the maximum value is equal to what 6 otherwise if you have to find the minimum value jodi tuma question to enake diye je find the minimum value of this complex number tetiale tumar similarly left side er part to likhibo lagibo in the same procedure in the left hand side of this part eto part ki likhim moi sai loba this part can be written as mod of what z plus 4 minus mod of what minus 3 Okay. And the given statement is what? Mod of z plus 4 less than equal to 3. Mod of z plus 4 less than equal to 3. That means what? Mod of z plus 4 greater than equal to what? 0. The value of this part is always lies between 0 and 3. And mod of z plus 4 cannot be is equal to what? Any negative value. Kitio negative value over. Okay? Therefore, I mean mod of z plus 4, the maximum value is 3 and minimum value is what? 0. If we consider in place of mod of z plus 4, mod of z plus 4 place of jodi moi 0 put kori diu, তেতিয়া this part equal to 0 and this one is what? Minus 3. Ultimately this part is equal to 3. Okay? Otherwise, if we consider 3 mod of z plus 4 equal to 3, etu value moi put koribo paru. Putting this value in place of mod of z plus 4 is equal to 3, here jodi moi 3 put kori diu, minus mod of minus 3 is equal to 3. Ultimately this value is equal to what? 0. Therefore, which one is minimum? 3 or 0? Definitely which one? 0, which is the minimum value. Then tomorrow question put enake diye, find the minimum value of mod of z plus 1. Then you can find like that by using what? Left hand side, left hand part of the triangular inequality. Okay? Therefore, what is the minimum value? Minimum value of the complex number is equal to 0. That is the answer. Clear? Here we consider another example. This one, if mod of z minus 1 less than equal to 1, mod of z minus 1 less than equal to 2, mod of z 3 minus 3 less than equal to what? 3. Now you have to find the maximum value of this one. So when you consider 3 complex number, the triangular inequality form is what? This one. It is a triangular inequality form. Clear? It is car value you have to find the value of this one. It is value mod of z1 plus z2 plus z3. It can be expressed in the form of this one also. Why? You have to substitute this value. Okay? The first this can be written as z1 minus 1 plus z2 minus 1 plus z3 minus 3. Okay? The value is what? Minus 3 minus 1 minus 1. So ultimately you have minus 5 adding by 5. Okay. Now with the help of second one, you can write like that. Mod of z1 minus 1 plus z1 minus 1, z2 minus 1 plus mod of z3 minus 3 plus mod of 5. Okay. This sign is what? Less than equal. By using this inequality. Okay. Now, what is the value of this part? By using this one, this part is equal to what? 1, and this part is equal to what? 2, and this part is equal to what? 3, and this one is equal to 5. Then finally you have this value is equal to what? 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1 what? 11. Therefore, the value of this one, mod of z1 plus z2 plus z3, always what? Less than equal to 11. That means the 11, which is the what? Maximum value of this one. I hope you have understood these things. That means how can you find the maximum and minimum value of a complex number. Okay. Now here we consider some set of questions. With the help of this way, you can find the maximum and minimum value of the complex number. Okay. Thank you.